Hi, I'm Malu. Will 2021 be a good year? It will be more than that. It will be amazing. And let us tell you why.
Hi, I'm Richard Shaw, Chief Marketing Officer. I'm here today to tell you about what we have in store for products in 2021. We're going to be having exciting new launches with great value propositions, and we're going to be supercharging our efforts to market and promote our existing products. We will continue to strengthen and improve our product portfolio with launches in the luxury and lifestyle spaces. Ultimately, we want to give you more products to enjoy in your daily lives, and we want to increase their productivity in helping you to build business and expand your prospect segments. This includes celebrating some special moments together, including the 150th anniversary of our premium Swiss watch brand, Bernard H. Meyer. Watch out for this. Next, we will focus on driving qualifying consumables growth in our nutrition and beauty skincare categories. We want to bring together a cohesive marketing approach that combines branding with training and promotion to ignite our Be Light and Physio Radiance brands. We want to increase engagement, up the experience across all of our social platforms. Lastly, we want to make sure for new and old products alike, we give you a very attractive BV proposition. And of course, we have to fix some existing issues like reducing shipping costs. We want to make sure that our products are accessible in all markets and maximizing our customer satisfaction.
Now let's talk about managing your business and your success. Your QNET mobile app just keeps getting better. We are putting everything you need in the QNET mobile app so you can take and do your business anytime, anywhere. We've also enhanced the look and feel of your virtual office in a way that is so simple, even kids can use it. We will not only bring you a completely mobile responsive virtual office that adjusts to whatever device you're using. Your enhanced virtual office will have a leaner, cleaner design to help you find the information you need faster and easier. Then here comes the improved enrollment process. We have made some design improvements that will surely impress your prospects as they sign up. Remember, all of these are guided by our long-term vision of business transformation, aiming to deliver a world-class user experience. And these are just the beginning. Expect more improvements as we journey through 2021. Social media isn't just for stalking your ex. We will make QNET social media more helpful for your business. We will make videos to help you showcase QNET. We will make more helpful content about our products, our industry, and our partnerships. It's going to be so much more fun than stalking your ex.
Hi, I'm Ivan Wu. In 2021, we are breaking new grounds, introducing our first multi-vendors marketplace called Banago. This will be a game changer, giving IR access to thousands of new products never before seen in QNET. We will deliver an amazing new shopping experience with more product options, and the same reward that repeat sales point offered in our dynamic compensation plan. We are now living in the world of the new normal, where everyone is active in the internet space and online security have never been more crucial. To safeguard your QNET accounts, we are taking measures to enhance your online security through multi-factor authentication. This will bring the same level of security and confidence that you know from your social media, email, and banking experience to your virtual office, to significantly reduce, if not eliminate the risk of your online identity threat.
And that concludes our plans for 2021. Get ready for some stronger products, both existing and new.
There is always more. We are very excited about the changes coming to you, and we'll be using your feedback to make the building your business more enjoyable and easier. Stay tuned.
So guys, start rocking 2021 by writing your own QNET success story. We will always be here to support you.
Together, let's make this an awesome year! Yeah!